Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke, where we talk about all things crypto. So in today's episode, we've got a lot to get through. As you can see, everything is in the green, and just yesterday, everything was in the red. So it just shows how fast things move in the world of crypto. One of the main reasons I think that was just my opinion, of course, not financial advice, was because of the CPI data that was released at the beginning of this week. So that's probably why we saw a lot of things in the red. Also the fake news surrounding these ETFs, these different ETFs coming out that BlackRock apparently has filed for, but we all know that this is fake. But we are going to talk about the Ethereum ETF that BlackRock and other big institutions will file for. We'll get right into that in just a second. And also we'll look at the XRP and the Bitcoin price. So jumping over into the crypto bubbles, as you can see, everything again, like I said, is in the green. FTM, AVAX, Render, they're all up 20-30%. Synthetics, Hex, Solana, we've only got a few things in the red. Matic is, Lido as well, XMR and so on. But generally speaking, it's a pretty decent day in crypto. Over the week, yeah, again, things are up 100%, 50%, 80%. Okay, gas is down almost 50%, but generally speaking, everything is doing pretty well. And for the month, of course, we can see, look, some things are up almost 1000%. So sort of a whole reason why you should be dollar cost averaging into these altcoins. Don't throw everything at it. Have a portfolio made up of different solid crypto coins that you believe in, and especially, I mean, again, not financial advice, try to hold more Bitcoin and Ethereum more than these altcoins. So what I generally tend to do, I have 75-80% into Bitcoin, 10-15% in Ethereum, and then the rest in altcoins. But mostly I try to keep Bitcoin, and then I will trade these in dollar cost average into these altcoins leading up to the Bitcoin halving, and then I stop and let it ride. Good. So jumping over into the Bitcoin price. So right now, so yesterday was the last 2 days were absolutely mental in Bitcoin because we dropped down a few $1,000s, and then we exploded to the upside a few $1,000s as well. As you can see on the daily, if we just take this, so we did go 2 days ago, we went from here down almost 6-7%, and then yesterday out of nowhere we rallied up about 6-7%, and now we're down about 1.5, about $500. So again, nothing much really to look at the moment. We still have this bearish divergence that could play out. We could come back down and retest the $30,000 level. I thought yesterday we were going to do that, so 2 days ago, sorry, and then all of a sudden we had this rally. So this is a possibility. Again, if we go back, if we just get rid of this, the divergence, I'll just keep that there. We're still in this bull trend, and we've rallied, that's the wrong one. So since the breakout, I mean, we have rallied all the way up to 38k, it's about 40%. So we are still currently in this bullish trend. So the trend is your friend to the end. I keep saying that, you probably heard that many times. Why do we keep saying that? Well, because when we're in a bull trend, then most likely 7-8 times out of 10 we're going to continue with that. The only downside to that is that RSI, the bearish divergence that is coming into play and has been in play for the last few days now. So we have two bearish divergences showing up, and I really thought yesterday we were going to 2 days ago start descending, but we held up pretty well. I mean, this was all just, this period here was all that CPI data that came out on, was it Tuesday? Yeah, it was Tuesday night here in Europe, and I think it was at 2 o'clock in the States. So usually we see, you know, a lot of volatility over the CPF, and it usually happens around the 12th to the 15th of every month. So again, if you didn't see that video when I spoke about the CPF, usually I don't trade the day before and on the day of the CPF news. I try to wait 2 or 3 days and then trade it. Very good. So there is a possibility then. We have created this V-shaped recovery, this small one here. We could jump up to, I mean, we're in this bullish trend. Again, it wouldn't surprise me by the end of the week to touch the $40,000 level. But just warning you, I try to be objective when I look at the technicals on Bitcoin. Personally, I think we're going to go higher. However, we do have that bearish divergence that could pull us right back down to the $30,000 level. But Bitcoin seems to be holding up pretty well, so which indicates strength with the bulls. So let's see what happens today and tomorrow, and I'll give you more updates on that. So if anything major happens, again, I will share something on my Twitter feed, which you can find in the description below. And also, if you're trading, then please, you can use my affiliate link in the description below as well if you want to sign up to Bybit and start your trading career. It only takes 5-6 minutes to subscribe and then start. So if you just zoom out, again, if we go to the weekly, right there, voila. Okay, so since the beginning of the year, I mean, we've been in this uptrend and we're doing quite well. So if ever you're in doubt, just zoom out. And if we go from the beginning of the year, we're currently up 130%. So again, just zoom out when you have a stress and just look at the bigger picture where we are. So we're in this accumulation phase of Bitcoin. So it's exciting to, I mean, if you're just sitting on the sidelines and waiting for the bull run, then you're doing something wrong, in my opinion. You should be accumulating more Bitcoin right now, dollar cost averaging into altcoins and getting ready. Don't leave it to the end of or in the middle of the bull run, because, I mean, the gains are made right now when you prepare. You build a foundation, and then you will reap the rewards during the bull run. So that's just some technicals on Bitcoin. So just jumping over to the news of XRP. Top analyst projects a 500% XRP rally to $3.80 and identifies the best level for DCA to buy XRP. And I read this article, you can read it in your own time, but just to highlight the best areas to DCA into Bitcoin are around according to this analyst, it's the Fibonacci zone of 0.618 and the 0.786 as the ideal area to dollar cost average. That zone is around the 40 to 47 cents region. So you can read that article, but just jumping over into the XRP price, we're currently, let me get rid of this RSI, the advert, there we go. So if you've been following me with my XRP trades, or technical analysis, I haven't traded, just to put that out there, XRP, just for the technicals. But if you wish to trade, then go ahead. I prefer just dollar cost average into altcoins. I only trade Bitcoin, sometimes Ethereum, but mainly Bitcoin. So if you are trading this, then those levels that he was speaking about, I mean, my support line is all the way down here. I don't think we're ever going to see these prices in XRP unless something major happens. But we've got this nice trend to the upside. And if we do come back down here, I mean, yeah, we could go down to those levels of that Fibonacci retracement between the 41 to 47 cents possibility. Anything around these areas, I think is a great opportunity to DCA into. But looking at the technicals, if you remember a few weeks ago, I was looking at this potential cup and handle, and the handle looks like to be forming. So if we do have a rally over the next few days or a week or so, and we come up to the 70 cents, then we've just formed this beautiful cup and handle. So the price target, if you're trading this, will be the bottom of the cup. And then let's just imagine it breaks out here. This would take us to approximately 96 cents, so almost $1. So if we do break out, I suggest if you're trading this, and if we do form the cup and handle, then just wait for the breakout of this. Let me just change the line. There we go. Just wait for the breakout of this key resistance here of the 71. It's about what, 71 cents with sufficient volume, and then try to enter your trade around the 72, 73 cents. And if you do that, let's say 73 cents, and you trade this thing all the way up to 96 cents, that's a 31%. So again, if you're using Bybit, if you are trading this, you do 10x, you just make 300% on this cup and handle. I'm going to keep that cup and handle there to see if the technicals, if my prediction for these technicals plays out, and then you can follow me on this to see if it plays out. If it doesn't play out and we do dump, then this cup and handle is invalid. So yeah, I'm going to keep that saved so that we can come back and over time see if this thing plays out. So that's just some XRP news. And then finally over to Ethereum. The SEC delays Grayscale Ethereum ETF decision to 2024. The Securities and Exchange Commission has recently declared an extension of its review period for Grayscale's ETH Futures Trust. This move shifts the final decision deadline to January the 1st, 2024 is the final decision for the Ethereum ETF. So let's see what happens over the next few weeks, but I really believe that we will see Bitcoin and an Ethereum ETF. Tell me what you think. Do you think we'll see it by the end of this year? Personally, I don't think so. I think we'll see it at the beginning of next year, leading up to the next halving for sure. And then, I mean, these big institutions, governments, etc., they will get in at the right time, of course, but us as retail, we just keep checking the news, speculating, etc. So tell me what you think. Do you think we will see this ETF for Bitcoin and ETH before the end of the year, or the beginning of next year? Personally, I think it will be, of course, the deadline for the Ethereum is the 1st of January, and most likely we'll get the ETF for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's interesting to see if Ethereum gets the ETF before Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin gets its ETF just before the halving. But for sure, these Bitcoin, Ethereum, this will definitely happen next year, in my opinion, ready for the bull run. Then the big boys will come in. We'll probably see a dump in the Bitcoin price early next year. I won't be surprised if we rally now until the end of December, and then we have a huge pullback of about 50-60% going into the new year, maybe around January, February, before the pre-halving. And then after that, big institutions get in, they set their orders, and then it's off to the races, and we don't want to be left behind. So that'll be early next year. I'm going to keep you updated again with that and the psychology aspect of the crypto market. So thanks, guys and girls, for watching. Again, smash up the like button, leave any comments in the description and the comment section below, and yeah, put a thumbs up. It's great for the algorithm, great for my channel. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. I will see you all tomorrow for more technical analysis and another gaming project. So stay tuned for tomorrow and enjoy your Thursday.